And
I think that
go ahead. Now it's good. Go ahead.
So, no, it was the question I also had about Havdalah, because somebody asked in the chat room of Skype.
Mm-hmm.
He asked, and I have the same question about when making the Havdalah, when we are in some kind of rush, and we want to immediately start using, for example, the smartphone. Do we say Hashem, or we say the full name?
No, we just skip. It's a good question. So we just skip that name completely. So why? Because later on it's not proper to say that in this circumstance, right? So when you say the complete blessings, so and it's like in some cases it's diminished blessings, right? So the correct one. So okay, you expected the call, you have to call somebody. There is no problem. So say Baruch Hamavdu ben Kodesh L'chol, blesses he who separated he without name, without any name, right? From holy from mundane. Then you make a call. You do whatever you need on the computer. Let's say I don't know whatever you need to do. Then you do Havdalah. There is no problem. As we say, I mean, you have time. There is no problem. Okay. So that's the thing. So when we just say before the actual Havdalah of the cup of wine, because you need to do like to turn on light, off light, you have to drive, you have to wash dishes, there is no problem. So you say this line without Hashem's name at all, no name. And then when you have time, when you're not in a rush, so you say completely.
And there were two questions in the chat of WhatsApp. I don't know if they are answered already.
If it's from earlier today, I did answer them.
One is about righteous comer, and the other is about saying amen to.
Yeah. We answered those. Yeah, thank you very much.
Oh.
Yeah.
So for me, that's all.
Okay, no problem. You're welcome. Any other questions? Okay, no problem. So let's stop here. So tomorrow we're going to continue with our Kitzur Shulchan Aruch. Thank you. Good night.